Welcome to Leonardo247 Property Operations and Risk Management. So simple, it's genius. Leonardo247 is a proactive software solution for real estate operators that centralize and automates routine property management tasks from a property management company's standard operating procedures, their preventative maintenance calendars, including critical dates and warranty information for equipment on property, automates remediation protocols, and operations best practices. It also serves as a repository for institutional knowledge, which is incredibly important with the high personnel turnover in our space, and helps maintain regulatory compliance with local, state, and federal codes for optimal risk control. Now let's go to the live version of Leonardo247. Leonardo247 has several real-time dashboards that illuminate which properties and people are putting our owners and operators at risk and which ones are not. Green, you're good. Your teams are compliant with their risk control action items. Yellow, we're getting into the danger zone. Red, we're in the danger zone. What are they not doing that's putting the property at risk for liability or property damage issues? There's an overview screen as well, where you can dive deeper into any of these components, including any documents that are expiring, like in a very important 5-year elevator load permit. The properties themselves receive that daily guidance through the workspace. These are the recurring tasks on a certain schedule that they need to do. It's no longer in a binder or in a disparate system. It is all right here in Leonardo247, including a dynamic form that tells them exactly what to do and what to look for with dynamic and smart capabilities. So if something is wrong and there is a deficiency, they can actually create a work order to get that remedied right away. And it's fully tracked as well. And all those new people we were talking about with the turnover in our industry, they need a little bit of extra help. We also can help with training and education by adding in manuals, adding in videos, whatever you can think of that would help your teams execute a boiler inspection, a lighting inspection, whatever it might be. In addition to recurring tasks that are part of your priorities for risk management, there are also things called workflows or ad hoc as needed processes when something comes up, like an incident occurs on property. This is one of another set of dashboards that show you exactly where your properties are at with several different policies and procedures in executing their water intrusion and mold remediation workflow, for example. In addition to all of that, you have all of this input coming into Leonardo247 that then allows for incredible output of reports. Every single date and timestamp on every single task is reportable. You also have every input, everything that's executed on a mobile device or in the desktop can also be reported on. So you can track how many signs of water intrusions did you have in the last 3 months? What exactly is or is not being done in your property to put you at risk? Finally, within Leonardo is the on-demand instructions. On-demand instructions are available in the desktop app as well as the mobile app so that your teams have emergency procedures and phone lists so they can execute exactly what you need to execute when it needs to happen for a hurricane or a fire or a flood or whatever it might be. That boiler how-to video is here. Maybe there's a water main break and they need to shut off the water main and they need a riser room shutoff diagram to help facilitate that. They have all of that available on demand in the field when they need to for optimal risk mitigation. Finally, we mentioned also additional output as well. All those incident reports, anything that you're reporting on can be rolled up into business intelligence so that you can make incredible data-driven decisions on what's happening and what needs to happen at your property. Maybe you want to look and see how much damage was caused by a resident in case you want to decide on a forced placement renter's insurance. Maybe it's about checking in on how much organic growth has cost you in the last 3 months. Maybe you need a new supplier or a new vendor for that, water damage, etc. Anything that's put into Leonardo247 will have a related output for decision making. Leonardo247 ensures that risk is reduced with real-time visibility, full compliance, and efficiency for the on-site operators and leadership of our owner and operator clients. Thank you.